Hello students, here the question is about the innate immune system. So we have to discuss innate immune system. So innate immunity and adaptive immunity. There is two immune system. There is a blood-borne physical barrier. So blood-borne innate immunity means when the immunity is present from the birth at the mother's womb. So first, after the development or after the delivery of the embryo, the fetus, after the delivery of embryo, the baby has some innate immunity, that is for restriction of foreign particles. There are two types of innate immunity. First is blood-borne, and there is physical barrier. Physical barrier means skin, mucous membrane, saliva, flushing action. So skin means there is a protection of